You got pregnant 4 weeks after you miscarried Ava with triplets, actually, right?
There was one, the spot, yeah, there was a spot that they thought was, yes.
Okay. It was 4 weeks after the miscarriage.
Sure, about 4 to 6 weeks.
Well, joining us is Dr. Nita Landry. She's a board-certified OBGYN and is one of the stars of the award-winning show, The Doctors. Dr. Nita, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Is it even possible for a woman to get pregnant 4 to 6 weeks after a miscarriage? That's a long shot, right?
Yeah, it's possible. Absolutely. Knowing that it's twins or triplets, within 4 to 6 weeks, that would not be possible. So that story in totality would not be possible, because once you ovulate, then you have to have fertilization, and then you have to have implantation, and then the babies need time to grow so that we can see it on sonogram. So within 4 to 6 weeks, that's not possible.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't announce we were pregnant with twins or triplets until like 9 weeks. The photo we took is like 9 weeks because the HCG levels were off because of the miscarriage loss, which was the reason there was a positive pregnancy test to start with.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's not what you said before.
In regards to what?
To the pregnancy. In terms of the timeline of the pregnancy after Ava, the second pregnancy.
Yeah, we did get pregnant immediately.
What are the odds of getting pregnant that soon after?
It depends on the specific clinical situation. However, it's possible to get pregnant within a month after having a miscarriage. It's just that it takes a lot of people longer than that.
In the state of Illinois, and I'm sure it's true in any state, if there's a death of a child beyond 20 weeks, then there's a coroner's report, right?
Yes, there definitely should be some documentation of the baby being born and what happened, what transpired after that.
And there's no record with the coroner of any twin deaths beyond 20 weeks.
Okay.
Why not?
I'm not going to disclose that information. I'm not going to disclose that information.
Disclose what? I'm not asking you to disclose.
In regards to, there's obviously not a report. I will say, okay, there's not a report, and agree with you that you can't find a report.
Why are you different? Why do you, out of everybody in the state of Illinois, don't have to disclose?
No, I'm not saying I don't have to disclose the fact of dead babies. First of all, I'm not saying I don't have to disclose the fact of dead babies. I'm saying I do not have to disclose why there's not a report on file in my circumstances. I'm not going to address the circumstances of this issue, like this particular issue. I know what you're asking me. I mean, I could sit on your stage and I may look like a total ass to you, and that's fine, but there's certain stuff I'm not going to disclose. I don't owe an explanation. I don't. Not for this.
Did you send pictures of the children after they were deceased?
Nope, because I don't have pictures of the deceased.
Did you have the babies cremated?
Not going to answer that. I didn't come on this show to talk about the baby. I didn't come on the show to talk about it.
Listen, I'm trying to clear your name so you don't have to put up with this stuff.
But the thing is, I realized going through therapy, I don't need to clear my name. My name's fine with me. I know what's right when I go to sleep at night. I don't owe Courtney an explanation. Fact of the matter is, it's coming down to criminal charges for her, and she can keep putting stuff on the pages. It's been 2 years. It's cyberbullying. It's severe criminal harassment. I'm not above the law whatsoever, but I know what legal rights I have, and I don't have to explain them to Courtney.